Alright YouTube, here's the final result of my Vise stand. Not much different from it other than it's all mounted up, bolted together, and now I have it painted. Just figured I'd make a real quick video and show you the overall result. See all the bolts in there, brake drum, all bolted down and ready to use. I've actually used it several times already and it's pretty nice. Let me do a little demonstration here for you. This piece of steel might be kind of warm sitting over here. That'll be alright. Then you put the camera on a tripod. Like that. Now let me go get this piece of steel. Some people, and including myself, were worried about this thing being able to tip over easy once you get some weight in it, like if you're holding a drive shaft or something like that. Now let me show you this. Not sure how thick this piece of steel is, but it's at least 1/4 inch, maybe even a little thicker. I should measure it for you, but I mean, it's heavy. You get the idea. It's a good, I don't know, 5 foot long, at least. So, there you go. It's hanging there. It's not tipped up or anything. It's there on its own weight, freestanding. And even with it in there, if I push on it, I mean, you can tip it, of course. You know, not slip in the vise. And it still takes a fair amount of force to make that tip. I mean, for what I use it for, that'll be plenty. You gotta consider how much extra pull that has with all that extra leverage hanging out there like that. So for anything I do, that's gonna be more than adequate. So yep, that's my Vise stand build. Hope you like it. If you have any comments, feel free to let them. Thumbs up and subscribe. See ya.